Hello and welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. This video is third part of Internet of Things. This video covers important MCQs based on IoT subject. Let's begin. First question is, IoT devices are naturally vulnerable to dash threats. Answer is C, security. Second question is, which challenge comes under securing the information? Answer is B, security. Third question is, what is a part of FP7 projects? Answer is A, Butler. Fourth question, which of the following issues are considered in IoT? Answer is security issue, reliability issue, standard issue. That is, all the three issues are considered in IoT. Next question is, what means 7th Framework Program for Research and Technological Development? Answer is D, FP7. Sixth question, what is the first step in the direction of smart cities security? Answer is B, Smart T. Let's move to the question 7. A web services resource is special type of dash web resource. Answer is B, synchronous web resources. Eighth question, RISC RISC processors are designed to perform a dash number of types of computer instructions so that they can operate at higher speed. Answer is C, smaller. Next question, question 9. An APU is a processor that includes both the CPU and GPU on the chip. Answer is A, single. It is a single processor. 10th question, a general purpose GPU is a graphics processing unit that performs non-specialized calculations that would typically conducted by the dash. Answer is B, CPU, central processing unit. Question number 11, the ARM assembler is a full macro assembler which produces ARM object format output that can be linked with output from the answer is A, C compiler. Question number 12, SDA is having a dash transition when the clock line SCL is high. Answer is A, high to low. It has high to low transition. Next question, what is the speed of the fast mode? Answer is B, 400 kilobit per second. Next question, what happens when 8 bits are transferred in the SPI? Answer is C, interrupt. Interrupt occurs. Next question is, what is the speed of I2C bus? Answer is D, 110 kbits per second. I2C bus speed is 100 kilobits per second and 10 kilobits per second. Next question, who sends the start bit? Answer is B, that is master transmit. Master transmit sends the start bit. Next one is, what is normally used to change the permission for a file in Linux? Answer is D, change mode. CH mode is used to change the permission for a file. Next one, which signal is used to select the slave in the serial peripheral interfacing? Answer is A, slave select. 19th question, the data frame size for UART is maximum of, answer is B, 9 bits. The data frame size is 9 bits. Question number 20, two-wire interface is also called as, answer is C, I2C. Two-wire interface is also known as I2C. These are all the questions covered in the third part of the video. This video will definitely help you to answer MCQ questions in the online exam. Share this with your friends, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Infinite Learnopedia. Thank you for watching.